So our last short video will show you how to use your nSpire to solve by graphing. So open a new document with a graphs page, and let's just see how to do it with one we already know the answer to, the problem we solved earlier, x squared plus 6x plus 8. You know the answers. We solved it by factoring in the earlier video and by graphing by hand, so you would be expected to do this by hand. But this will allow me to show you the process for using your nSpire for tougher problems. I move my label out of the way, just because it bugs me. And then I go to Menu, Analyze Graph, 0. And it's going to ask you for a lower boundary. You need to move that line to the left of one of your zeros and click, then drag to the right of the 0 for the upper boundary, and it labels your answer right away, -4. Repeat that for your other 0, or your other solution. Drag the line to the left for lower, to the right for upper, and there's your -2. So your solutions are -4, -2, just like we knew. Let's do a different one though. So add a new graphs page. And here, let's graph 6x squared plus 5x minus 1. When you graph this, you should be expecting a skinny parabola, because of the 6, with a y-intercept at -1, and there it is. Again, I get my label out of the way, and then I'm going to adjust the scale, because it's very skinny on a big window. So I'm going to change my y minimum to -5 by double-clicking and typing. And then instead of pushing enter, I can tab around to all of those scales just to change the window a bit. And it helps me see what's happening with my graph. So again, I'm going to choose Menu, Analyze Graph, 0. Go to the left for my lower boundary, click, drag to the right. So one of my roots is -1. Repeat for your other roots. That root is a decimal, 0.167. We need to check that with a quadratic formula. Do that on paper and see what happens.